Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Last class I had given assignment. Now take your assignment. Let's check out the answer. We had learned articles and preposition thoroughly. Today we are going to learn a new topic, adjective, which you have already learned in lower classes. First, let us see what is an adjective. Adjectives are describing words, the words which describe the noun. Now let us see some example. He wears black jacket. In this sentence, where is noun? Jacket is noun. How is the jacket? The jacket is black in color. So the black describes the jacket. Therefore, black is an adjective. Adjective is always placed before the noun. Second example, she is sitting in a red car. Similarly, car is a noun, and how is a car? Car is red in color. So red is a adjective. Now let's see the types of adjectives. There are different types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective, distributive adjective, and proper adjective. This class we are going to learn adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, numeral adjectives, and demonstrative adjectives. Let's see them one by one. First one, adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality tells about what kind. The answer of what kind describes the quality like beautiful, hard, gentle, kind, good, angry, calm, rich, bright, and so on. Adjectives which describes the quality of the noun are the adjectives of quality. So let's see them with example. I saw an interesting movie last night. What kind of movie? It is an interesting movie. Interesting is a quality of adjective. So adjectives which describes the quality or which tells about what kind of the noun are known as the quality of adjectives. Second one, adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity tells about how much, which tells about the quantity, that how much. Quantity adjectives are used with uncountable nouns. So whenever you cannot count for the uncountable nouns, we use quantity of adjective. For example, little, some, few, many, any, whole, enough, sufficient, and so on. We cannot measure these quantities. They are used for the uncountable nouns. So these are the quantity adjectives. Let's see with example. Give me some milk. Here milk is a noun and some is a quantity adjective. Next example, few liters of oil left in the can. Here few is a quantity adjective. Next one, numeral adjectives. Numeral adjectives tells about how many. Adjectives of number which gives the exact number, which tells us how many. Adjectives of numbers are used with the countable nouns. For example, they have 3 children. Here, how many children? Yes, good, 3 children. The number 3 specifies the exact countings of the children. Second example, I saw 4 cars in the showroom. So 4 is a number adjective. Next example, my friend has 6 kittens. Here 6 is a number adjective. So 6, 4, 3 are the countable numbers. These are the adjectives of number. Next one, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective point out to noun. Demonstrative adjective always comes before the word it modifies. This, that, these and those are the demonstrative adjective. For example, this house is very beautiful. In this sentence, the word this is a demonstrative adjective which describes the noun house. Next one, give me that book. Here the word that is a demonstrative adjective which describes the noun book. Next example, can you please hold these bags? Here the word these are demonstrative adjectives. Last example, those flowers are beautiful. Here the word those are demonstrative adjective which describes the noun flowers. This, that, those, these are the demonstrative adjective which point out to noun. This house, that book, these bags, those flowers are always comes before the word it modifies. Now let us see what we learned. Adjectives are describing words. Today we learned 4 types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, numeral adjectives and demonstrative adjectives. Adjectives of quality tells about what kind. Of quantity tells how much. Adjectives of number tells how many. Demonstrative adjective point out to noun. This, that, these and those are the demonstrative adjective. Hope you understood, children. Do the assignment. Thank you.